So are you like me and absolutely hate how long it takes to put together a standing seam metal roof price? Every single metal roofing contractor I know does, but we have to do them. We got to keep our guys going somehow, right? So after doing countless estimates over the past 13 years in my own business, I decided to come up with a system that cuts the estimation time in half. So in this video, I'm going to show you what this guide is and how to use it. So let's start with the first question you may have. Why should I even care about this freaking guide? Well, as a business owner, you have 1.5 million things to do as it is. So when you can systemize and automate a thing in any way, it is always going to be a good idea. That's basically the intention behind this whole guide that I came up with. Basically, once you have the square footage, half of the quote is already done. But Alex, how do you do this without cutting any corners? So the thing about spreadsheets, I came to find out, they're basically programmable calculators for your own business. Basically like a calculator on steroids. Get to the chopper! So for example, all you have to do is after you've typed in the square footage right here at the top, all you got to do is check a few boxes down below and it basically tells you down here how much coil you're going to need for the job. But what about the trims, Alex? Well, let me tell you, the sheet does it too. Wouldn't be complete if it didn't do the sheet. That don't work. This sheet does that for you too. You're welcome. Head down to this section and type in all of the linear footages and boom, at the bottom it tells you exactly how much flat stock you're gonna need to bend up all the trims. Currently, this guide is set up to 10-foot lengths as a standard. If you need to change it, just hit me up in the comments and we can connect there. Also, if you just want to supply trims, you can figure that out here as well. Now that we've gone through a little bit of it, I wanted to let you know that some of the biggest screw-ups that I encountered myself when pricing, whether it's an accessory or it's a trim, the biggest screw-up came when I simply just forgot about it or it just slipped my mind. So how does this guide fix that? Think of it like this. So if your wife sends you to the grocery store with a list, chances are you're gonna remember everything that she saw that was missing from the kitchen. Same idea here. When you go through the guide, chances of you forgetting something are drastically reduced because the thing's staring you right in the face. So now that you're an estimating beast, there's still a lot of money to be lost actually performing the installation. Tap through to this video right here where I will show you a tool that continuously saves me $60,000 in overhead spend year after year. I'll see you over there.